Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to show you what you will be learning this week. We're gonna start with a fractions quiz review. Okay, so here we have the first question. Which shape below is not partitioned into fourths? So here you have the answer choices. You have A, B, C, D. Which shape below is not partitioned into fourths? Go ahead and answer that. And then we're going to move on to question 2. Look at the model. Which statement describes the circle? A. Each part is 1/4 of the circle. Remember, 1/4 is 1/4. B. Each part is 1/2 of the circle. C. Each part is 1/2 of the circle. Or D. Each part is 1/4 of the circle. Okay, go ahead and answer that. And then we're moving on to question 3. Which model below does not show an example of equal shares? Which model below does not show an example of equal shares? Which of these 4 illustrations do not show an example of fair equal parts? Alrighty. Question number 4. Which shape below is divided into 4 fair shares? Look at the illustrations here. Which shape below is divided into 4 fair shares? Okay. Number 5. Karen ripped her paper in half. Which shape below shows half? Again, look at the illustrations and tell me which shape below shows half. Okay, so now we're gonna continue. So we watched a video over 3D shapes, which is already posted on Google Classroom. And we talked about the 3 different type of 3D shapes: spheres, cones, cylinders, rectangular prisms, cubes, triangular prisms, and of course there's more. Here we have some attributes of the 3D shapes. They are vertices or vertex if you're talking about a singular vertex. If you're talking about more than one, it is vertices. Okay, then we have edges, faces, and of course the shape name. This is a cube here, and this is a vertex. These are vertices because now we have more than one. Here we have edges. Here. And then we also have faces. All right, so let's do this together. How many vertices does a cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. And what is the name of this shape here? A cube. Alrighty. Next one. Here we have a cone. How many vertices or vertex? It only has one vertex. How many edges? 0 edges. How many faces? 1 face. Here we have a triangular prism. Triangular prism. All right. Again, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 faces. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next shape. And this one is a sphere. How many edges? Whoa, we don't have any edges, so 0 edges. How many vertices? 0 vertices. How many faces? 0, or we could say, 0 faces. Okay. Now we have rectangular prism. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. All right, our last shape for today, cylinder. This is a cylinder. How many vertices? 0 vertices. How many edges? 0 edges. How many faces? 1, 2. 2 faces. Yay! All right, now I'm going to move on. So those were our 3D shapes. And then here we have your math facts. Then this is the activity that you will be doing at home, and then you're going to be turning that in on Google Classroom. Okay. Science, I played a video about the seasons. Again, this should be posted on Google Classroom, these 2 videos here. And then for Wednesday, we have a math activity where we're going to build our own 3D shape figure. And then for social studies, you're gonna have the option to read a book about landforms or illustrate and label the different type of landforms. Para estudios sociales vas a leer un libro sobre los diferentes accidentes geográficos o vas a ilustrar y etiquetar los diferentes accidentes geográficos. Y vas a entregar esto en Google Classroom. You will be turning this in to your Google Classroom account. Okay? Alright, so that's what we learned this week.